All right, so it's recording now. Yeah, all right. Okay. So again, here, hopefully you were able to see the problem, everyone. You're buying a television, and they tell you the sales tax is 7.8, some percent, 7.8%. Somehow you know that. Now, it turns out the total cost, including tax, for the TV is $310.05. We want to figure out how much the TV cost before tax. But you can see this is similar to the previous question, right? I gave you the bill, I gave you the how much you paid, including the tip, right? And we had to figure out how much the bill was, how much it cost before the tip. Same idea here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say let T be that cost before the tax. Okay? Well, then what the problem is saying that T plus the tax is $310.05. That's what let me get the laser thing. That's what this is saying. Okay? That's what the problem is telling us. Okay, now what do we do now? We don't know T, but can we get the tax? Well, kinda. What we know is that the tax is 7.8% of T. But 7.8% of a number is 0.078 times that number. That's what I'm doing here, as you can see. Okay? So because of that, if we were to substitute, just like the previous question, into this equation, we get this. Then, just like before, we can take T out. Well, I mean, you could just jump right in if you know how to combine like terms. I know in Math 104, I think they teach, I'm pretty confident they teach that. I know I do. Here, we have T times this sum. I took T out. Again, that's distribution in reverse, factoring. This is the same, though, as 1.078 times T. So we have this equation, right? How do we get T? We just divide. T is the unknown, right? And that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing here. So this is the price before. And again, it was kind of similar to the question from before, right? They're basically telling us that the cost of the TV plus the tax or plus a certain percentage of the cost, which is this. So the cost of the TV plus 7.8% of the cost is this. So in other words, we're paying 107.8% of the cost of the TV. That's what this is. And this calculation kind of confirms that. And from there, we can get T. So, it's just another way of thinking about it. I mean, showing your calculation is important, of course, so that at least so that I know you know what you're doing. Okay. All right. Good. Okay, let me just check. Please tell me I recorded that. Yes, I did. Good. Okay. All right. Any questions on that? Okay, let me just stop the recording.